Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today is March 25th, 2021, and I'm your host Dan. The big news yesterday was from Elon Musk. He tweeted out that Tesla is now accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. And the interesting thing here is that they will actually be retaining the Bitcoin instead of converting it to fiat. Basically, Tesla and Elon is hoarding Bitcoin. Somebody commented that Elon is now buying Bitcoin with Teslas. So that's pretty funny. I don't think it's wise to be buying Teslas with a Bitcoin because you're going to create a taxable event and you're also exchanging an appreciating asset like Bitcoin for a depreciating asset like a car. So I don't think that's a wise move, but let's see how wide the adoption is. And here's a cool thing over in Germany. The German authorities are actually using distributed ledger technology to trade securities on it and then settling in the official money. That's cool that they're experimenting with blockchain because we know that it can be of good use for the traditional finance system. We have Fidelity launching a Bitcoin ETF that's going to be tracking the price of Bitcoin via Fidelity's own tracking methodology. And here's the S1 if you want to see it. It's going to be called Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust. There was another news about Goldman Sachs filing a Bitcoin ETF. This was all over the Bitcoin Twitterverse, and I think it's very misleading. They are far from doing that. They're actually doing an ETF linked note, which is an income generating asset that's linked to Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF. And in that ETF from Cathie Wood, it has some exposure to Bitcoin. So Goldman Sachs is not filing a Bitcoin ETF. Okay. So I think that's very misleading from the Bitcoin Twitterverse. And here's the S1 for that ETF if you want to read it. CBOE is wanting to get back into crypto. They did launch the Bitcoin futures back in late 2017, and that was canceled because the CME product was more popular. And they also tried to help launch the Bitcoin ETF, which also failed. And now they're providing crypto market data with the coin routes. And the CEO of CBOE is saying that he's seeing a lot of demand for crypto and they want to be involved with this space somehow. So it's good that we're getting recognition and love from CBOE. Robinhood filed their S1, meaning that they're going to go public soon. Abra Exchange is getting into the DeFi lending space. They allow you to earn interest on your crypto, and now you can borrow against your crypto holdings. Gemini is launching a venture fund, and it's going to be investing in early stage crypto projects and startups. Gemini believes that crypto will fundamentally redefine the internet financial system and money as we know them. So they are investing now in the early stages. Fidelity is saying that wealth managers and financial advisors are still in education mode on cryptocurrency. They are seeing the demand and now they're learning about it so that they can advise their clients on it. That's good to hear. So that just shows that we're still in the early stages. We have a class of individuals, the high net worth individuals who are not in yet, and they're getting educated on it, including their wealth managers and advisors. And on the educational piece, check this piece out from Deutsche Bank for their research on Bitcoin and crypto. It's nothing new that we haven't seen, but I like to share research pieces from the large financial institutions as they look into this space. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.